Oh no. Oh no. Say happy birthday. This is Jacob's 1 week birthday. Yeah. So he just woke up from his nap and he is a little fussy. Yeah? Oh, you found your hand. You found your hand. Are you going to open your eyes? Oh, there you are. There you are. Yeah. There you are. Let's see. Oh, no, you're still upset. Jacob enjoys nursing and taking naps and looking outside. Yeah, we went outside yesterday and we walked around. He loves chewing on everything. His hands, his passy, his mama, his daddy. Yeah. What do you not like? Huh? Tell us. You don't like your diaper changed. Oh my goodness, it's terrible. Oh, it's absolutely terrible to get our diaper changed. But those are good hands. Those are good hands. Yeah. Yeah. Say we take 4-hour naps at night. Yep. And then we get up and eat and go back to sleep. And during the day we like to stay up for a couple hours. And eat all day long. Yeah. We like to eat. Mama eats, you eat, we all eat. Yeah. And your sister, she take care of you? Maddie, do you take care of Jacob? Maddie. Maddie. Do you take care of Jacob? Huh? Do you take care of your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, he loves you too. Oh no! Oh no! Is it funny? Oh no! I think Jacob wants to eat again. Yeah, he says it's time. All right, happy birthday, Jacob.